In this video, I'm going to show you how to export out a PDF file with the bleeds included. So we did design this business card with a bleed. This business card's a little bit different than the last one I used in my other video. But you can see there's that red bleed line all the way around our document. If I push W, you can see that the difference there. This is where it would actually be trimmed to, the actual document size or the actual size of the business card. So your printer would print this on a slightly bigger piece of paper and with the bleeds included from your PDF file or possibly JPEG file, probably the PDF though, even though I'm having you guys print from JPEGs, because sometimes with PDFs we end up missing fonts. So I just have students print with JPEGs, but typically if you send this to a printer you would send them a PDF file with the bleeds included from your document that we set up. So the printer would print this on a bigger piece of paper with the bleeds included from the PDF file, and then they would trim it down. They'd trim this much of the print off. So just make sure all of your colors for your backgrounds are coming all the way to the bleed line. Even this here, if this was not all the way to the bleed line, you just need to grab your items and bring them all the way to the edge of the bleed line. And then we can do a file export. I'm going to put this on my desktop. I'll name it Mary Ward Business Card 3x, something like that on my desktop. Adobe PDF print, save, all pages. And then we want to go to this marks and bleeds section and make sure that this is checked. Bleed and slug. Use document bleed settings. So we're going to export that. And that should have done it. So if I go into Finder and just go to my desktop, here's that PDF. And if I hover, you can see that it's no longer 3.5 by 2. It's actually 1/4 of an inch larger on the width and the height. That's because there's 1/8 of an inch all the way around it. So this actually does include the bleeds, this file does. It is a little bit bigger than 3.5 by 2. So that's one way of telling. You just have to hover down in the corner when you're in Adobe Acrobat DC. And I want you to include this PDF in your zip file for this project, please. When you do the file package, you do get a PDF file, but I want the bleed included on your PDF file. So this video explained how to do that. So please do that for this project. Thank you.